Hello! Thanks for your interest and your wish to drive your recruitment to the next level. Let's do it together. Let's talk about you. You as a founder, CEO, owner of the company, you are part of recruitment process. So many founders don't think about it, especially if you have bigger company. You are not able to be involved actively in the recruitment process, maybe for some specific position for management team on the C level. Yes, then you will most probably take a part in some interview processes and decide also with your team together if there's the right match. If your company is bigger, usually you have team managers, team leads who are more responsible to hire right talents on another level. But still, if you are in the big company, you are part of recruitment process. If you didn't talk about it, let's go a bit deeply in this topic. Every great talent, it's not depending of the seniority level. Also juniors who are in the beginning of their career, they research about your company before they decide to start your recruitment process. What they research? They look which type of the company is this, about size, about location, all these hard facts. But they look into the vision and mission of your company. They have a look about industry, also about products and services your company offer on the market. Because the great talents today on the market, they have huge possibility to choose for which companies they would like to bring their knowledge, their energy, their mindset, their time. They have possibility to choose. As a company with a great offer for open job, you are not alone. You have so many other companies who are also in the competition to win the right talents on the market. And back to our topic from today. If the great talents see your presence on the career page, on the company page, if they see who is owner of this company, who is on the lead on this company, what is your background, what is your attitude, what is your plan for this company? What is your part in this great vision of the company? They will be able to decide if they wanted to be part of this journey to reach your company goals. If you are in the big company and you are not able to be involved, what is normal, it's a power of delegation, therefore you have your managers and your team leads to do their job and hire talents. But how you can be present in the recruitment process in this case? There are several options. You can place somewhere in the career page, if your company have career page, you can place like short bio and describe your person and your part of this huge journey of your company. Another option is to make short video, like what I'm doing now, and just try to explain what is your plan for this company, what is the vision of this company on really high level, not talking about some specific higher needs of the companies because they will change, but the vision and mission of the company stays. So you can talk about it and you can talk why for you it's important to hire right talents. You can go even step further and talk about who will be not happy in your company, which type of mindset of the people will be not right in this company. And if the great talents will go to your career page and see like few pieces of small content about you, about your involvement in the big vision of the company, they will be able to understand better what they have to find in this company and how they can bring their talents to your company and help you to reach your goals. Please try to invest a bit of your time, your valuable time, and bring some pieces of information about your part in the great vision of the company to provide talents this information. And believe me, you will be able to catch right talents, right match in each different position levels on your company, and they will help you to reach your company goals and drive your company to success. Let's do it together.